morning, everybody, and don't mind my frizzy, unruly hair. I'm in the process of getting ready for work. It is a Saturday morning, so before I head to work, I kind of wanted to share with you a little bit, this is going to be a very short video, and it's basically a mascara hack. Forgive me while I try to adjust this camera. Okay, so I will be showing you a mascara hack that I am recently loving. I've been doing it for some time now, and basically it is the combination of mascaras. So first thing is first, you need to know what mascara does what and what look you are trying to achieve. Now this is not with any falsies included because, you know, obviously mascara is to give your natural lashes that extra lift, that extra boom bam kind of thing. So for today's demonstration, I will be using two different mascaras, and the first one is by Thrive Cosmetics. I will be listing these are my top two right now. So obviously if I come up with new ones, you know, in another video, I will highly recommend them. But these are my top two right now. And the first one is by Thrive Cosmetics, and it is the Liquid Lash Extension Mascara. And the reason why I love this one, it's a vegan formula, number one, and number two, I kid you not, it will give your natural lashes life, like extra life. Like you will think that you have extensions on. Who's texting me? Girl, you is too late. Okay, anyways, forgive me. So the second one is by Nars, and it is the Climax Mascara, and this guy came out, I want to say like a few months ago. At first, what the freak is it not focusing? Okay, so at first I saw a lot of hype about this, and I wasn't really sure as to how much I loved it because I was using it on its own and it wasn't like the best, but when I combined it with another mascara, that's when I was like, okay, I love this. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm a little close to the camera, and also if I look like I'm cross-eyed, it's because I took off my glasses and I'm literally very nearly blind. So I'm gonna go in with the first layer, and I like to start off with the Nars Climax Mascara. So the reason why I like to layer my mascaras is because, like I said, every mascara does something different. So this one, what I have noticed that this particular mascara does is give me a lot of natural volume, not so much length. That's what the Liquid Lash Extension one is for. So this one just gives me this really nice, subtle volume to my natural lashes and makes it like nice and subtle. So I like to do, so also let's get into the application of mascara. So you want to kind of focus the mascara right on the root of your lashes and then shimmy on up like so. Okay, so let's get a close-up. Alright. Don't worry about this concealer crease. We're gonna fix that. But focus on the roots and then shimmy on up. See that? It's really soft and beautiful. Okay, so now I'm gonna repeat on the other lash. Okay guys, so now that I applied my first layer of the Nars Climax Mascara, I want to also point out one very important thing. Notice I did not dab the wand back into the mascara and pump like back and forth. I've seen some people do that, aka my mom. She likes to do that. It basically, when you put the wand back into the mascara like bomb or whatever this thing is called, you are pumping air into it, and therefore your mascara will tend to dry out faster, and also you are just going to get unnecessary air into there, which can just cause the mascara to kind of not work its best. whatever. So let's move on to the second mascara, and that is the Thrive Cosmetic. Sorry, I have something in my eye. Okay, so now we're going to get into this guy. And as you can see, the wand looks totally different. And all the wands look different because, again, every mascara will give you a different look. So now we go in this same motion kind of, but this time I'm not really shimmying up. Ooh, I got a chunky one right here. Let's get that out. I'm focusing on the root, but I'm letting the product kind of pull through on its own. And I'm also moving the wand with my thumbs. I'm kind of just twirling it. So, like so. Now, tell me, like, what? Don't tell me that isn't, like, crazy. I have something in my eye. I had an eyelash in my eye, and we're doing eyelash tutorial. Look. Now we're going to repeat on the other eye. Okay, you guys, sorry I'm back. Like I said, I'm trying to get ready for work, but I really want to get this video out. So this is my completed look with my beautiful lashes. Wait, can you see through my glasses? Probably not. All right, there we go. Here are the lashes final look. I seriously love this idea of combining mascaras because it's kind of like you're creating your own mascara, if you will. I don't know. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for my next video. I hope you enjoyed this little mini like review slash hack slash I just really wanted to make a video for you guys. And with that being said, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and sign up for the notifications. Also follow me on Instagram. If you're not, then what are you waiting for? And without further ado, have an amazing ass day.